Okay, we're going to make some of Klark's special guacamole if I can keep my hand off the lens here. First, we're going to use our molcajete, I think how you say it. I don't know how they say that. Mortar and pestle. Yeah, okay. Now what we're going to start out with here is we're going to start out with some delicious green chilies. We bought a whole bunch of these in a can, big can, at the Dollar General store, really cheap. I'm going to just use my hands, of course they're surgically cleaned. We're going to put as much green chili over here as we want. I like about that much. You almost can't have enough green chili, you know it? Okay, now don't let your thing roll off like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to mash these up really good. Want them to be more like a paste, okay? So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to make these very pasty. Look at that. Yeah. Fresh canned green chilies. Not very fresh when they come out of a can, though, are they not? Okay, we're about getting there. Let's take a look here, see what we got going. Very, very good. Okay, next thing you want to do is we're going to get the avocado cut. It's hard for me to do this, but we're going to set you down here. And we're going to cut the avocado. And here we go. La la la. Here's my special avocado cutting knife. And you just go right down the center until you hit the pit and just keep right on going, right on around like this. Eventually you'll meet back up with your other cut. And then what you can do, open it up and just grab that out of there. A lot of people like to stab it with a knife and do it all fancy, and no, you don't have to do that. All you really have to do is just grab it out of there like I just showed you, okay? Now we're just going to mash them, okay? Mash them. Trying to get them incorporated into that with the green chilies. I probably used a little more green chili than I should have, but around this house there's no such thing as too much green chilies. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to set that down. Here we go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add some delicious sour cream. And I like to use probably about that much. A huge heaping tablespoonful would be fine for one average avocado. I'm going to go ahead and add my other ingredients all together now. So pay attention. We're going to use Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, just a splash, okay? Like this. Splash, okay, good enough. Now we're going to use Louisiana hot sauce, okay? That's always good in it. It's going to be kind of a warm guacamole. You eat it, it's going to be a little bit hot, so don't be a wimp. Now we're going to add just a touch of A1. Okay, we've added all the wet ingredients that we're going to add now. Now we're going to go on to our Cajun spice. Yes, Cajun.
How's that running commentary going?
It's coming great. And I need the lime juice, I guess, out of the refrigerator. I forgot that. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little of this over the top. Sprinkle. Thank you, Myra. And we're just gonna add just a touch of cumin here, just a touch, like this. Okay, just a little bit. That's fine. That's good enough. And now we're gonna add our two secret ingredients. Garlic salt, yes, garlic salt. Plenty of that. Then we're gonna add, this is cayenne pepper, okay? Cayenne pepper. So we're gonna take some of this. This one really gives it the heat, so you gotta really be careful at this stage. I'm gonna add just about that much, and that's plenty. That will make it quite warm. And then to keep your guacamole from spoiling and getting all brown and stuff, we're going to add this, if I can open it. There we go. We're going to add some lime juice. Yes, you can use fresh squeezed limes, which is all the better, but we don't happen to have any of those right now, so I had to use our bottle. Now we're going to mix this up very well. Starting to look good, huh? Yeah. And I thank Kent and Myra for buying me this cool pestle and mortar set back at one of my birthdays many years ago. I use it all the time, though, to make this. Okay, there it is. Should be done. We're done. Take a little taste of this here. Yeah. There you have it, and there it is. Okay, we have to do it right. Chip. There you go, yeah. Guacamole. That's real good. Yum, yum.